From the minute we spoke on the phone with the first employee of Tick Tock, to the salesperson, to the on-site visit, to all the other individuals that came in and did the actual work, was so professional that we couldn't stop talking about it with other people in town. When they saw our solar panels go up, we just sang the praises of Tick Tock because we were just impressed with their professionalism from day one. It was really nice to have that open communication, and if something had changed in the plan, they were very informative, and we really liked that.
Tick Tock Energy is a full-service energy solutions provider and top 500 solar contractor. Contact us to start generating your own clean energy from the sun and boost your energy independence today. Please visit our website and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great information. Thanks for watching.